Hey guys, welcome back to the lab. Today at the bench, you are going to see me insert this linen lining up under the antique leather that I've already lifted on this book. So I start out with a micro spatula and I am looking to see under the leather where the least amount of depth is, because that is the farthest this linen will fit up under the leather. So I actually even back it off a little bit further and trim the linen a little bit more so that I don't have any linen balled up under this leather. Once everything is damp from the adhesive, the leather and everything else becomes more fragile, and I want to save myself some headaches by trimming it the right size to begin with. And I'm taking off the corners. These don't really provide much strength, but they have a habit of getting folded over up under the leather and causing bumps if you don't take them off. And now I do the other side. So now that that's trimmed, I have put a piece of plastic up under the leather, and I'm showing you how it all fits together here. And so what I will do is use this plastic as a barrier so the leather doesn't get adhered to this linen ahead of time, because I actually need to stick another layer up under this leather, and that will cause problems if it sticks. So to hold the plastic piece in place, I will use some weights and a piece of binder's board so the weight is distributed evenly. This plastic is kind of a pain to fit up under the leather, as you'll see later in this video. So now I'm applying the adhesive to the linen, and I'm coming back with a larger, stiffer micro spatula to slip that linen with the adhesive up under that piece of plastic. And make sure there are no weird lumps. And now you get to see me on the other side actually insert this piece of plastic. So when I lift the leather, the board winds up being cut and having several layers exposed. And so this plastic tends to get caught on every single one of those layers. It's worth it to do this, but it does take some patience. Doing this also gives me the opportunity to check and make sure there are no balled up pieces of board or leather or anything else that will create a lump on the outside after everything is glued down. And I almost forgot to weight my plastic while gluing out the linen, and that would be sad because the plastic would probably come out, and then you would get to watch me do all of that over again. So I slide the second linen piece under for this side. And then I weight the whole thing and I will let it dry overnight. So this is how it will dry with all of these pieces of plastic in place. They're all temporary. But where the plastic sits is where these are all places I need access to for later steps of this conservation project. So the next day I come back and take the weights off. So I'll remove these pieces of plastic for now. I'll have to put them back in for a later step, but that's okay. So thanks for watching today, and be sure to show the lab some love and subscribe if you want to catch out what I'm doing every week.